Imagine a time long past, where Japan's rich and diverse history takes root in the ancient cultures of the Jomon and Yayoi periods. The Jomon era, marked by intricate cord-marked pottery, and the Yayoi epoch, distinguished by the advent of rice cultivation. From these humble beginnings, Japan's complex history begins to unfurl. Fast forward to the classical era, a time of poetry, literature, and the establishment of Japan's first permanent capital. The Nara period birthed the Kojiki and Nihon Shoki, Japan's oldest historical records. Then, during the Heian period, the arts truly flourished. As the classical age ends, a new power rises in the horizon, the samurai. Enter the age of the samurai, a period of military rule and societal upheaval. The Kamakura period saw the rise of samurai political power, which led to the civil war of the Muromachi period. The Sengoku period marked an era of relentless military conflict. The turbulent age of samurai sets the stage for a period of peace and stability. With the establishment of the Tokugawa Shogunate, Japan enters a period of isolation and stability, known as the Edo period. This tranquil era is disrupted by the Meiji Restoration, a time of swift modernization and westernization. The Meiji Restoration propels Japan into the modern age, setting the stage for a new era of imperial power. From the ashes of the Meiji Restoration, Imperial Japan rises, marking a period of expansion, war, and eventual rebirth. The nation flexes its global influence, leading to World War II, but this chapter ends with American occupation. Remarkably, the Japanese people rally, sparking an economic miracle in the post-war era. Today, Japan stands as a technological titan, its innovations echoing around the globe. From ancient pottery to high-speed trains, Japan's history is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. So, there you have it, a fascinating journey through time that narrates the rich tapestry of Japanese history. We've traced from the ancient Jomon and Yayoi periods, through feudal ages, to the transformative Meiji Restoration and beyond. Japan's history, like its people, is ever evolving, ever resilient. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating story of this island nation.